Yeah, just left the spot. That shit took like 30 minutes. Today, I'm trying this spot called bb.q chicken. I'm watching the TV about the promotion and whatever. And basically, it said, these wings are fried in like high quality olive oil. And that they're healthy. And I really doubt that, but she said they gave me 2 of the regular wings too. I don't know which one it is because they all look the same. Oh, it's actually pretty hot. First thing you notice, these wings have so much texture. There's so much going on with them. So I'm gonna try it plain like I always do. It's spicy, it's a little sweet, but they do taste really good plain. It almost has this like pancake or like French toast taste to it. Almost this sweet, like a maple syrup or something almost. So I asked the girl that took my order which sauce was her favorite. And she said the spicy galbi. I believe that's this one right here. So I got their signature sauce, which I'm guessing is the S. I got their Korean fried chicken sauce, their hot sauce, which I'm guessing is this. Then I got cheese. This one looks quite nice. Tink. Spicy galbi sauce, thick consistency, green onions and sesame seeds inside. It's like a mango habanero mixed with like Korean barbecue sauce. It's sweet, spicy. This one's really good. Really thick too. That is a really good sauce. I would have to rate that like an 8.7. That one's really good. Different from anything I've ever tasted out of all the Korean food. And it has like a nice fruity pepper taste to it. Time to try the signature sauce. This is supposed to be like a sweet and hot something sauce. Whoa. Deep red color. It's kind of tangy and it also has that French toast taste. I don't know what that flavor is. Almost too sweet. It's like a syrup you can put on like pancakes or something. I can't put my finger on what type of fruit flavor it is, but it's definitely like some mix of like jelly. I give that one like 7.5. Not really my thing. I think it's 7.5. I think the sauce is good. It's just not really what I like. Next, we got their spiciest sauce, basically. Let's try it. It's really spicy, but it brings out the flavor in the chicken. On a spice scale, I put it at like a 7.7. This one is also really sweet and jammy, like just like the other one. I don't know what kind of fruit they're using, but it's kind of viscous too. Maybe some tomatoes in here or something. It's a really good sauce, but it is like almost overly spicy. It is kind of overly spicy. I give that like an 8. I like it. I like the flavor of it. It's probably just their signature sauce with like some more pepper or something like that. I got it. The batter tastes like a funnel cake. That's what that taste that I'm getting is. Do I taste the olive oil? No. But maybe that's the flavor of the fry. I have no clue. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's getting a 8.3. Right now, the spicy galbi is the best sauce I've had so far. And lastly, cheese powder Korean fried chicken. I'm just gonna put some in here, sprinkle this over top like so. I don't know how much seasoning this is supposed to have. I'm gonna just shake it a little bit, get some of that excess off. Cheese Korean fried chicken. That one is really good. It's sweet. They definitely use dry milk in their mix because it has that creamy flavor to it, even though it's dry, even though it's a dry seasoning. Then it's almost like a Kraft mac and cheese powder flavor, but not that intense. I think it's like a little bit of that cut with dry milk. And then let me get one more bite. And powdered sugar. Very interesting flavor. But yeah, that literally makes this wing into a funnel cake. I'll rate this like an 8.3. Maybe that one's a good thumbnail right now. Yeah, that's an 8.3. Maybe an 8.5 actually. That's really good. This is the bb.q chicken. Right next to aiea bowl in Hawaii. Overall rating, I give them an 8.5. Chicken by itself is solid. Got some good sauces over here. Me personally, I want to get the signature sauce. But the spicy galbi sauce, this cheese sauce, and the hot Korean fried wing sauce, definitely a banger. Let me get some cheese on it because I'm a menace. And then some of this hot buffalo Korean fried chicken sauce, whatever. And that is a monstrosity of a bite. My top pick for all the flavors gotta be the spicy galbi too. That one is just way too good. The cheese one, I probably want to eat this on like a regular day. But like to top this over some fries or something like that, it would be good for sure. Let me taste it one more time. Yeah, it's just like a light cheddar flavor. Not like Parmesan or anything. But yeah, I rushed to make this video. Thank you guys for watching. Come check out next week. New food review. I don't know what I'm gonna try next. I actually tried to go to Chinatown today, but it took me an hour to get around and I didn't even find parking. So that'll be probably my next video. I want to try this bakery. I want to try the pig and the lady. One more bite of just some crispiness. Didn't want to waste all my calories on the chicken, so I got some of that hot Korean sauce on my salmon and rice.